Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're going to be installing headlights on a 2004 F-150. This is going to be the same process from 2004 through 2008 F-150s. Now my particular headlight is by Spider, but I've noticed on Amazon they're sold under a few different names. So you can see this is sold by ACANII, but these are the exact same lights right here. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to get a set of lights like this. So anyway, they do have a couple of different versions. So as you can see in here, the plastic behind the lens, this part is black. Now I got this kind because I put a Raptor style black grill on my truck, so the black is gonna go better with it. Now I originally had a chrome grill, so if I was gonna keep that grill, I might want to go with the one that has the chrome plastic backing, and it will probably look better that way. But anyway, so what's so cool about these, it has this strip, and you see this a lot in newer vehicles. My truck came out in 2004, so 2004 to 2008, you might see a lot of halos, so kind of those rings around the lights, but you don't really see that anymore. Here it's 2020, so you usually kind of see something like this. Alright guys, so first thing first on your light, you got this what appears to be a screw on top. It looks like a Phillips head. It is a Phillips head, don't just look like one. It is a Phillips head screw. But this is not a normal screw. Let me show you what it actually is. So this is what it is. So as you can see, it's got the Phillips head on it. It actually is a screw internally, but it's this whole kind of anchor deal. So if you screw it, if you try to unscrew it, it's not going to do anything. It just free spins. So you actually have to pull this out. Now, luckily I got a trim puller that allows me to remove these anchors, an anchor puller or whatever you want to call it. I'll put a link in the description to a kit that this comes in. It's quite cost effective. But let me show you how this is going to go. So as I pull this handle, it lifts up on this. Alright, next we have some 10mm bolts. I'm just using this little bit, put in my impact driver. So you pull the flat back and you've got a bolt, 10mm bolt here and one there. Let's go ahead and get these out. So I've got those two, and it's one on top. Alright, so you have a little tab that holds in. Now once this is in, it's kind of free, but it's a little fastening plug in the back. But make sure you don't get it caught in the front of the bumper, kind of pulling it down. You almost have to pull it up and out. Alright, there we go. Okay, on the back side, you've got a few harnesses. Start with this one. Oh man, so this thing already broke. So on older vehicles, I mean, a lot of times the plastic is very brittle and things are going to snap sometimes. As you can see, it still don't want to come off. So I could already see from my new light, the way you connect this portion is leave this in here. And you actually take out the bulb and the new connector just shoves down in there for this part. This part actually plugs right into there, then that plugs into there. This is weird. It's kind of just hanging out in some tape. I need to be able to push it in to this deal here. Well, I was thinking they gave me some room so I could pull that out, but no, there's no room. Just gotta try to shove this thing in here. Okay, it went. So here's the old light. That little amber light there. Just turn it, take it out. Looks like I need a new one. This thing is definitely seen better days. It's barely amber at all, but that goes in this section here that has no light in it. So just get this lined up in here. Come on, all right. And then a quarter turn, and it's good. Okay, we got one light not doing anything. Oh, maybe because it's not hooked up. Damn. So it looks like maybe I didn't get a little weird plug in all the way. There we go. Bam! Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so that's high beams. I adjusted the camera so we can see a little bit better. And there's low beams. And I'll tell you, these lights look super dim. I'm gonna have to order me some more bulbs very quickly. But overall, man, the look, it looks good. Looks real good. I have to reach a happy medium here with the camera, but man, I'm telling you, the camera is not doing it justice. It's looking good. Looked like I shaved off a good 10 years off this truck with the grill and the headlights. I got a different video for the grill. You guys want to see that? You know, I'm add a card or something in here. But check it out. Headlights and grill. This truck looks at least 5 to 10 years newer. That's what's up. But guys, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, I'm going to be adding a bug deflector next. I got a bunch of audio stuff going on inside. You want to see all these kinds of things, especially concerning this particular model of truck, please subscribe. And if you use any of the Amazon affiliate links in the description, that helps me out a lot. It allows me to continue to do this kind of stuff under the radar of the CFO, better known as the wife. All right, thanks. Have a good one.